Hello guys, so how to create this motion blur. Click this, copy once, then copy twice, and the first one, give it a color overlay, put it red, and the other one, give it a color overlay, put it maybe blue. Okay, then drag the white text on top and click on the both of the colored ones. Filter, convert to smart filters. Then go to filter, blur, motion blur. Put it 150 distance and 90 angle. Then go to filter, liquify. Decrease it to about 200. Click the first one and drag them. Drag the blue up and the red down. And get the swirl tool, increase it a little bit, size, and nudge a little bit till it swirls. Okay, then grab the white art style, filter, blur, motion blur, convert to smart object until put it about 15, and we're done.